Hello my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very effective hair growth recipe that is very easy to prepare and the ingredients are very easy to find. So make sure you're paying attention to every step of this video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is bay leaves. These are the fresh bay leaves, but feel free to use the dry bay leaves. Bay leaves is easy to find. You can find it in any grocery store and they are super affordable. Bay leaves are great when it comes to hair growth. It is packed with antioxidants which is going to help stimulate blood flow into your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. My next ingredient is clove. Clove is also very important when it comes to hair growth. If you do not know how to use clove for your hair growth, follow this recipe and repeat the same recipe for your hair. You will come back and thank me later. The next natural ingredient I'm going to use today is thyme. Thyme is also very effective when it comes to stimulating hair growth. It is going to treat your scalp and improve the overall health of your scalp. It is also going to stop hair breakages and help you grow much stronger and healthier hair. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. And thank you for doing all that. So at this point, I put all my ingredients in a saucepan and I added some water. I did not use any specific measurements for these. If you've been following my recipes, I only use natural ingredients and I know natural ingredients are not going to hurt my hair in any way. So do not be afraid. Too much or too less is not going to harm your hair in any way. So after it boiled for about 15 to 20 minutes, I set it aside and allow it to cool down. After it has been cooled down, it is time to strain this recipe. Guys, listen, just listen. If your hair is breaking a lot, your hair is thinning, you just want to improve the overall health of your hair. If you want your hair to grow much faster, do not even sleep on this recipe. It looks very simple, but it's very effective. So I strained my recipe and this is what I'm having now. There is another natural ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe, and that is my Moringa powder. If you're interested in purchasing any of the natural ingredients I use in my videos, always check in the description box. I always leave links to purchase all my natural ingredients. So I measured about 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder. Let me tell you about Moringa powder. If you haven't used Moringa powder in your hair care routine, then you're missing out on something good. Moringa has iron, and what iron does is it strengthens your hair strength so you do not experience hair breakages. So I transferred my Moringa powder into a mason jar, and at this point I'm going to add the recipe that we prepared, the hairspray. Yes, I'm going to add it to the Moringa powder and I'm going to set it aside for about an hour. Then I'm going to show you a few ingredients I'm going to add to this recipe to make it super effective. Let me tell you why you need Moringa powder in your hair care routine. Moringa has vitamins. It has vitamins A, vitamin B, C, and E. All these vitamins are great to nourish your hair, to prevent hair breakages, and also stimulate new healthy growth. Moringa will also improve blood flow into your scalp because it is packed with antioxidants. So if you're not using Moringa powder in your hair care routine, then it means you're missing out on something good. So after I've set it aside for about an hour for everything to infuse together, and it is time for me to strain my Moringa. At this point, do not even stir or shake it again, because the Moringa powder has settled at the bottom of the mason jar. You can use a paper towel, cheesecloth, anything with tiny holes to do the straining. This will ensure that no Moringa powder is left in the recipe. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video on your social media platforms and also with your friends and families. So once I have my recipe like so, it is time to add my essential oil. If you've been following me, you know I love my essential oils. Essential oils, when added to your recipes, will maximize the benefits of any recipe. This time I added peppermint essential oil, but feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. I also added a tablespoon of my favorite oil, which is the olive oil. Again, you can add any oil that works for your hair. I also added some vitamin E oil, which will also help maximize the benefit of this recipe to help it prevent hair breakages. After adding everything, I give it a good stir. Then I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. Guys, listen to the instructions very well so this recipe can really work for you. It is one thing knowing how to prepare this recipe and another knowing the best way to use it. So when you have it in your bottle like this, you're going to use it as your everyday use. You do not have to rinse it out. You can use it for about 5 times a week. What you do is you're going to spray this on your scalp, on your hair strands. Whenever your hair feels dry and you need to re-moisturize your hair, instead of putting water in your hair, put this hairspray. Massage it into your scalp, onto your hair strands. If you have any problems on a specific part of your hair, concentrate on that part and massage it in. After that, moisturize your hair. Then make sure to put your hair in a protective hairstyle to seal in all the moisture. Repeat this and be consistent with the use for faster result. Always keep this in the refrigerator and after 5 days, discard it and make a new bottle. Thank you for watching this video.